Hey guys, what's up? Mike with NRGcreativ. Listen, I've got I get asked this question quite a bit. Lately, it's been a lot. People are asking about 3D printed flag and camera mounts. And the thing that's going on, and I don't want to throw anybody under the bus whatsoever, but I want to kind of educate and let everybody know that why you may want to choose 3D print over a metal mount. My personal experience with a metal mount is I ended up breaking or pulling out one of the screws because the camera flexed. Believe it or not, guys, there's more flex in the metal mounts, especially the front ones, than there are in the 3D printed ones. And that flexing over waves ended up ripping the plastic threads out of that screw, and it had to be repaired. It's not an easy repair, guys. So you can damage your ski. Besides, if something was going to break, I would rather it be the mount than my ski. I would rather purchase another inexpensive mount than have to do some major repairs on my ski. Now, actually, there's been quite a few people that have sent me emails and messages saying that they bought 3D printed mounts before and they just don't hold up. Well, let me explain why that happens and tell you how to purchase a good mount. It happens because, unfortunately, people think, hey, other people are doing this, so can I. They buy themselves a cheap printer. Some of them might even buy themselves a good printer. And they either copy somebody's design, which happens way too much, or they come up with a design and they print it. Guys, here's a tip that people that have been doing 3D printing for a long time. I have been 3D printing since 2017. Okay, so almost 10 years now. There's a lot of tips and tricks and a lot of learning and a lot of headache along the way. So you cannot just, you can print little fidget spinners and all this other stuff, and you just pick a profile and print it. It does a job, and it does a fantastic job. But you cannot print functional pieces that are designed to hold stress and hold your $500 or more camera on something high performance like a ski, UTV, something like that, with a stock profile. That's where these guys are getting in trouble. There's nothing wrong with you guys doing that for yourself or printing your buddy a mount. You guys break it, you make another one, whatever. You can't sell this stuff to people and expect people to follow you when you're selling them crap. So again, you cannot print this mount with a standard profile. There's a lot of tweaking that goes into putting a print on a printer and making it functionally able to handle what I put my mounts through, what anybody puts their mounts through. So guys, choose a mount from somebody like me, NRGcreativ, that knows how to make functionally strong mounts. These things are incredible. They way surpass anything on the market. By far, NRGcreativ is the industry leader in camera mounts and flag mounts for your Seadoo, also for your UTVs, your side-by-sides, Jeep parts. Guys, come check us out. We never stop improving, ever. So anyway, guys, with that being said, I want to restore the faith in those people that have bought those flimsy 3D mounts into trying something that definitely works. So I'm going to do it. I did it before. I'm going to do it now. Do it a little bit different. But if you have bought a flimsy mount from someone and it has broke or failed or let you down, I want you to take multiple pictures. I want you to send me an email with those pictures. Okay, you need to tell me where it's bought and so on. I will not use your name. You will be a customer number. That's it. I will not use your name, and I will not put the name of the business out there that you bought this from. I just need to know personally in order to offer you this. If you do that, you don't even have to send me the mount. Before, I used to have you send me the mount. I need the pictures, and I need to see that mount on your ski, and then I will issue you a 50% off coupon on any of my mounts in my store. So get with me. The email will be, I'll put the email link up here, so copy this, put you an email up there, send me the pictures. Don't forget to tell me where you bought the mount and so on, what camera you use. Just give me some details in there, and I will issue you guys a 50% coupon so you guys can get a mount in your hands that is not going to fail you, especially with these flag mounts. Don't let this happen to you. Come see us, NRG Creative. See you on the water or in the woods.